So here's a product I received from a company called Ever Advanced, and it's a camping chair. And they sent it to me so I could review it. And you know, a lot of people use camping chairs maybe once a year, not often at all. You buy it, who knows how often you go camping. It might sit in the garage for years. It might sit in the garage where you use it often. For me, I work in the movie industry and I work on the production side. So that means I'm on the front line of shooting movies and TV shows where I am on several different locations. I'm using a camping chair. That's what I use for work. So I definitely use a lot of chairs. I know what's good and I know what is not good because I use it 12-hour days, Monday through Friday, sometimes more. I'm gonna unbox it right now. Go here. Oops. That away. Oh yeah, nice leather quality. This is the second chair I've received from them, and I'm definitely happy with it. Okay, wow, look at this one. Feels really heavy duty. Material's great. It's like the other chair. Most chairs are pretty easy to open. This one is not tricky, but it has a good concept to it. And it's easy when you read the directions. Basically, you pull this up like this, put your foot here, you pull this up like so, and you open this up like that. Voila. So this is their director style chair. It's their newer chair. This one right off the bat, this is a really good quality here. I do like the bottom parts here. It looks like they've, what I was talking about, how the plastic with the poles, it digs into the soil, but here they've actually fabricated it and changed the way the design is, and it's perfect. This is actually the other product I reviewed, that was the only thing I had a concern on, but this new product they rolled out, they fixed that issue without me even sending the other review video in. So great job. They knew what was going on. They knew about it. So this is really sturdy here. This is for your foot. Obviously you don't step on it, but it's good to rest your feet when you're sitting on it. It's a high up chair, director's chair. So you have a zipper here. I could put actually my sides on it from the script. So basically what they're shooting that day, they give me printouts of the script, and then I could just slide it in here when I reference the scene number, what we're shooting. So this is actually pretty good. Sit it right there, get your table for your coffee, your water. Obviously you work long hours, so coffee would be good here. It's sturdy, the table's good. I can put snacks on it. The chair's comfortable, it's quality's good here. The plastic's like hard plastic. It's not like dinky stuff that's gonna break. I've definitely bought cheap chairs before, and within 2 weeks the chair is broke because what I do for work, I use a camping chair and I use it every single day, where I do use it for camping as well, where this chair is just an all-around good chair for whether you're camping, me working, it's perfect. You have compartments here. I could put, you know, keys. I could put whatever I, want in the zipper here. You got your pockets here. If I want to just easy access, slide it in there. Yeah, it's a comfortable chair. Feels good. My legs feel good. You know, a lot of times when you're sitting for a long time on hard chairs, like your tailbone hurts, causes your back to hurt, your legs kind of like tingle because you've been sitting so long. But like a chair like this, I could see myself doing 12 hours, no problem, and be comfortable. Starting the rain here, so I'm gonna cut this video short, but I'm definitely satisfied with this product. I look forward to using it for work. And if you're interested in this product, see the link in the description. If you bought products from this company or this chair in particular, leave a comment and let me know what you think. But I'm very happy with this and I look forward to using this. So see the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.